Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I want to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S8 from Sprint. So if you have a Sprint S8 and you want to unlock it to be able to use it on another carrier, in this video, this is what I'm going to be showing you how to do. So if you have a Sprint S8 and you put in a SIM card from another carrier, it's not going to work. It's going to say like invalid SIM. So I'm going to be showing you really quickly how to be able to unlock it. But first off, please give this video a like. It really helps us out, and share if the video helps you out, because it definitely helps us out as well. All right, let's dive right into it. So first off, all we're going to need are four things. You're going to need, number one, an internet connection, which you have if you're watching this video. Number two, you're going to need the data cable that you're using for your S8. So you're just gonna need your cable, your USB and USB-C cable. Okay, number three, you're gonna need a Windows computer, so you can't do it on a Mac. And number four, you're gonna need TeamViewer. So you're gonna need to download the program TeamViewer. I'm gonna have a link down below in the description where you could download it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The other thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need to click on the link in the description down below, which is going to take you to this site right here, which is eBay, and this is actually the service that I use to unlock my Samsungs, most of my Samsungs. So here we have for the S8 and S8 Plus, it's a remote unlock service. That's why it's done by a cable and TeamViewer. So it's only $10, and it's pretty quick. They usually get back to you within just a couple hours. The process only takes about 10 to 15 minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and when you're in this page, just click buy it now. You're going to order the service, and within a few hours they're going to send you an email. And when they do, all you're going to do is connect your cable, connect the cable to your phone and connect it to the computer, and open up the TeamViewer program. And with the TeamViewer program, they're gonna do everything on their end, because what TeamViewer does is it allows them to connect their computer to your S8, okay, and remotely unlock it. All right, so that's pretty much it. I've been using this service, as you could check here. They have excellent reviews. They have 5-star ratings, so they have good reviews. I've been using them for a while. And it's a very cheap and quick way. It's actually the cheapest and quickest way to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus from Sprint. All right, everyone. So I hope this video helps you out. If it does, please give it a like. Like I said, go ahead and share, and I will see you around in the next video. Peace.